The path to happiness. Welcome, everyone. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the secrets of happiness. Whether you're feeling a little down or simply seeking to enhance your well-being, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. First point is cultivating positive mindset. Happiness begins with a positive mindset. It's about training our minds to focus on the good things in life. Here are a few tips to cultivate a positive mindset. Gratitude. Start each day by acknowledging the things you're grateful for. Write them down or share them with someone you love. This simple act shifts your focus to the positive aspects of life. Positive affirmations. Embrace positive self-talk. Replace self-doubt with affirmations like, I am capable, I am worthy, and I am deserving of happiness. Repeat them daily and watch your confidence soar. Second point is nurturing relationships. Our relationships play a crucial role in our happiness. Let's explore some strategies for nurturing meaningful connections. Communication. Open and honest communication is key. Express your feelings, listen actively, and empathize with others. Healthy communication builds trust and deepens relationships. Acts of kindness. Perform random acts of kindness. It could be as simple as lending a helping hand, offering a compliment, or surprising someone with a small gesture. By brightening others' lives, you'll experience a sense of fulfillment. Third point is pursuing passions and self-care. Finding joy in our passions and taking care of ourselves are vital aspects of happiness. Here's how you can prioritize them. Pursuing passions. Identify activities that bring you joy and make time for them. Whether it's painting, dancing, playing an instrument, or exploring the great outdoors, engaging in your passions nurtures your soul. Self-care. Practice self-care regularly. Prioritize activities that nourish your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It can be as simple as taking a walk in nature, enjoying a hot bath, meditating, or treating yourself to something special. Fourth point is embracing mindfulness. Mindfulness allows us to live in the present moment, appreciate the beauty around us, and find peace within ourselves. Let's discover some mindfulness techniques. Breathing exercises. Take a few minutes each day to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly. This simple practice calms the mind and brings you into the present. Mindful appreciation. Engage your senses and appreciate the small joys of life. Notice the beauty of nature, savor the flavors of a delicious meal, or relish the warmth of a hug. Mindful appreciation enhances our overall well-being. Remember, happiness is not a destination, it's a journey. By cultivating a positive mindset, nurturing relationships, pursuing passions, practicing self-care, and embracing mindfulness, we can unlock the doors to a happier life. Thank you for joining us today. May your days be filled with joy, love, and everlasting happiness. Until next time, take care and keep spreading happiness. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.